What's interesting is there's a couple of purposes that memes are used for. The first one I've got up there is entertainment. A lot of memes that you come across, they're just for fun, right? You just look at it, you laugh, it's, through some shared experience or through some common understanding that, maybe we as humans or we as Americans or we as, this generation of peers understand and enjoy. But what I'm talking more about today is not necessarily the memes that you used for entertainment, but the ones that you used for persuasion. Because memes can also be used persuasively. They can be used to alter your attitude. They can be used to, get you to view something differently maybe than the way that you viewed it before. So just a few minutes ago, before I got started, I got asked, are you against memes? Are you here to bash memes? That's not really why I'm here. What I'm saying is there is a distinction. I am all for entertaining memes and getting to look through them and laughing at them. Thanks. I don't know if that's a great credit to me or a huge merit, but but I'm not against memes. I'm actually, you could say, maybe very pro-meme. But what I'm looking at is when memes are being used persuasively, how can they be used persuasively? How can you start to detect and understand this meme is actually trying to get into my consciousness or my subconsciousness and alter my attitude or my thought or my opinion of something? Because sometimes that happens without us realizing it. It's very subtle, and if you're not looking for it, and if your eye isn't trained to see it, then you might miss it.